This product has been out for a while now, and a lot of you mechanics and locksmiths have been hitting up my DMs asking, is the Xhorse Multiprog actually worth buying? Welcome back to Godiag Lab. Today, give me 3 minutes. We are breaking down the features, the usability, and exactly who should and shouldn't buy it. Basically, it is a Xhorse multi-programmer built for the auto repair and the locksmith markets. In plain English, it's an automotive data read and write tool. It reads, writes, and clones. It covers your engine ECUs, transmission TCUs, EEPROM chips, MCUs, and immobilizer modules. It also features built-in data validation to prevent mistakes, tons of interfaces, and it's fully upgradable. After putting it through its paces, here are the core functions. ECU TCU read and write clone. It supports the heavy hitters, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Volkswagen, you name it. You can read the ISN, write data, or clone a module. Best part, bench mode without cracking the ECU open. Simple and stable. EEPROM MCU read and write. It handles memory chips and the MCUs with plenty of adapters. It covers major brands like ST and the microchip. Really handy for repairing older cars or saving a brick module, EMO and electronic modules. It covers immobilizers, instrument clusters, airbag modules, and the BCMs. Select your car, wire it up, and read and write the data. It saves a ton of money compared to buying a new module from the dealer. But you must follow the wiring diagram. Don't cross your wires. Batch programming and third-party scripts. For common transponder chips like the 95160 or 95260, you can batch program then plug in a whole row at once to maximize efficiency. It also supports third-party scripts if you have highly specific needs. Data validation and upgrades. When reading or writing, it actively verifies the data. If something's wrong, it flags it in red so you don't accidentally turn a module into a paperweight. Plus, the software is easily updatable. When new cars come out, just run an update, no need to buy new hardware. On the usability scale, I'd rate the Multiprog as above average. Accessories out of the box, it comes with all the necessary wiring harnesses and the manuals. No need to hunt down basic extra cables. Drivers, plug and play on Windows 10. If you're on Windows 7, you'll have to install drivers manually. There's a button in the software that walks you through it, plus video guides. Tutorials. The software has built-in basic video tutorials, and the manual shows real-world examples like the Porsche modules, Volkswagen TPMS, and the BMW Benz ECUs. Follow along and you'll get the hang of it. But for complex jobs like the TCU cloning, you'll need to look up more detailed walkthroughs. Operation logic. The interface is categorized by function. Pick the right make and model and you're good. Pro tip for beginners. Don't just click around blindly. Stick to the menu and you won't get yourself into trouble. Who is this actually for then? Based on testing, this tool is perfect for mechanics, guys who frequently replace engine or transmission computers and need to read, write, or clone data. Locksmiths. If you need to read ECU ISNs, write EMO chips, or batch program common transponder chips. Module repair techs. Anyone fixing automotive electronics like the BCMs or clusters at the EEPROM MCU level. Parts shops. Great for batch writing chips efficiently. If you only do one specific job, like basic key adding, a cheaper single function tool is probably enough. But if you want a versatile all-in-one workhorse, this is the one. Let's wrap this up with the pros and cons for anyone on the fence. The good. Extremely comprehensive. ECUs, TCUs, EEPROM modules, batch writing, tons of interfaces. Updatable built-in data validation includes all basic accessories and it has solid tutorials and support. The catch. It's pricier than single function tools. Beginners will need to spend time learning the wiring and software. Don't expect a zero learning curve magic wand. Also, for some brand new TCUs, you might have to wait for future update. If you need a versatile all-in-one programmer, have the budget, and are willing to learn, the Xhorse Multiprog is a highly reliable choice. If you only do basic jobs, don't waste your money. Figure out what functions you actually use daily before buying. It's not a magic bullet, but it is a highly capable, stable multi-programmer. If you think our video is useful, save it to your list and please give us a like. Understanding to hands-on, easier to master tools. I'm Yasser from Godiag. Follow us for more information.